Let me show you a new take on the traditional granny square that creates triangle shapes. We will be following the traditional granny square pattern, with the key difference being the change of colour within a round rather than at the beginning of a round. We start with the first colour by making a slip knot and then 4 crochet chains. Next, we join each end of the chains to form a ring, and as with the traditional granny square, we chain 3 and then make 2 trebles into the centre of the ring. Treble stitch is known as double crochet in North America. After making the 2 trebles, chain 2 and then treble 3 into the ring. The piece will look like this. We are almost ready to change colour. First, make 1 more chain, then take the end of the new colour and, leaving a tail of about 10 centimetres, make 1 chain with the new colour. Next, wind the new colour around the hook from back to front and make a treble crochet stitch into the ring, making sure you don't pull too hard on the new colour. Then pull the thread from the old colour to tension slightly. Make 1 more treble into the ring, then chain 2 and then treble 3 into the ring. The piece will look like this. Next, we chain 2 and then join with a slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 made at the beginning of the round. Then, continuing with the same colour, turn the piece around so that the back of the work is facing you and make a slip stitch into the space to the left of the hook. You have completed the first round. Start the next round with 3 chains and treble 2 into the same space, and then chain 1. Then into the next chain space, 3 trebles, 2 chains and 3 trebles, making the corner. Next, chain 1 and treble 3 into the next space so that the piece looks like this. Chain 1 more and then draw up the yarn from the first colour and chain 1. Then make a treble into the same chain space and pull the threads to tension. Continue in the granny square pattern for half a round until the piece looks like this. Then, as for the first round, chain 2 and slip stitch to the top of the third chain. Turn the work around again and slip stitch into the chain space. Then begin the round with a chain 3. You will get into a pattern of turning at the end of a round and picking the thread up in the middle of a round. For more knitting and crochet videos, please visit the Knit with Pat YouTube channel, and for unique yarns, visit my Etsy shop.